Uthatha ukungena ungomunye wabafundi baka grade 12 banganyaka odlule othole iBachelor. Kunzima ke kuye ukuthola isikhala sokuyofunda enyuvesi kulonyaka.
Immediately when I got my results, I think 2 universities replied and I didn't get in. And obviously when you get a bachelor's pass, you're thinking that, yeah, you get in. So which means like they want the best of the best.
Lo mfanekiso ohlinzekwe isikhungo e-University of South Africa ukhombisa ukuthi zincane kakhulu izikhala.
I would say that often, and this will be the case today, possibly around 80% of those who got bachelor passes will be able to be absorbed.
Ngisho nalabo abakhetha ukusebenza emva kwamadegree nabo bangase babhekane nenselele ekufuneni umsebenzi.
Graduate unemployment has not been a problem in South Africa, but that seems like it might be starting to change, particularly post-COVID. And we know that our labour market really struggles in terms of absorbing people.
Abaningi babambe umoya ngokuthola izikhala emanyuvesi nokungenza ikusasa labo liqhakaze.